In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Chroma Key in CapCut PC. So basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do. So as you can see, I've already created a new project, edited some videos, and here we can see one Chroma Key video with a green screen. So how can we use it and use it correctly? The steps are quite easy. As you can see, I've already added the background video, and now all we need is just to add the video right up here on our timeline. Then we can change the duration of our video to make it like correct for our project. So let it be like this. So after that, as you can see, everything is good and now our video is right up here. So how can we deal with it? To remove this green color from our video, all you need is just to select it on our timeline, and then in this menu, in editing menu, click on video and go to cutout right up here. So after that, you just need to click on Chroma Key right up here. Then open the menu, sometimes it could be closed. Color picker, click on our green screen and just play with the strange and shadow parameters right up here. So after that, everything is ready. We can resize it, we can do something we want. So this is a way how we can deal with Chroma Key in CapCut PC. I hope guys this tutorial was helpful. If it is, please like this video and watch my other tutorials about this program. Goodbye.